In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Universal Stylus Pen to tablet. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to use your Universal Stylus Pen with any tablet that you have. For this video, I chose the Redmi Pad Pro as an example, but like I said before, this will work with any tablet that you have, from Samsung, Redmi, and so on. So if you have a universal stylus pen, or if you notice that in your box it only says stylus pen, or if it's a generic one, then you don't actually have to connect it to your device at all. These sorts of styluses do not require Bluetooth connectivity or any sort of setup. All that you have to do is power them on. So this particular model is powered on by tapping the top of the stylus, while others will have a physical button that you press. So this one from Amazon, for example, you press the physical button and it is going to be turned on. With the stylus powered on, you will see the LEDs light up, and that indicates that it is good to use. You don't actually have to set it up, as I've mentioned earlier. They are designed to be a replacement for your fingers, so this is why they are so easy and convenient to use. They don't offer advanced features like palm cancellation, pressure, and so on, but regardless, they are easy to use and they are compatible with any device. So unlike something like an S Pen, which would require a connection, setup process, these ones will be usable as soon as you power them on. You can find them on places like eBay and Amazon, usually for $9.99. And when you purchase them, you just have to make sure that they are powered on. And you can use them on any surface, any tablet. They don't require setup, no application needed, and as long as they are sufficiently charged by using the USB port here with the cable provided, they will be able to be used as a standard stylus to replace your finger. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Universal Stylus Pen to tablet. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.